And good afternoon again. Here's the continuation of our discussion, the execution of the fundamental dance steps in pop dance. So in this video, we'll be talking about, or we'll be executing about Galo. And I will share to you again my screen for you to, for us to read the description of the step-by-step of Galo. This way. It's taking more. It's taking. Yes, here it is. So that's it. So the name of the dance step is Gallop. Then with the time signature, with the time signature of 2, 4 time signature, and the count is 1 and 2 and. So the step-by-step description of Gallop is for count 1, step right or left foot in fourth position in front. Then count and or cut the right foot with the left, and thus displacing it, and at the same time taking the weight of the body with the left or right foot. So the count is 1, 2. That will be repeatedly done. So we are now going to execute. So I want you to do it along with me. Same. So step or count 1. I will just be saying the card word. Step right in fourth position, then cut the right foot with the left. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's all. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Shout out. Ay, sila lang.